What will be the solidification time for a 1200 mm diameter and 35 mm thick casting of aluminum having a mould constant C is equals to 2.2 second per mm square? So we have to find solidification time. Solidification time. So we calculate solidification time of a casting using Cherinov's rule. Cherinov's rule. According to Cherinov's rule, solidification time of a casting T is equals to C into V by A whole square. This is the formula for solidification time of a casting, where T is solidification time of a casting, where C is mould constant. So mould constant C is equal to how much given? Given 2.2 second per mm square. And V is volume of the casting. Here V is volume of the casting. What is AS? Surface area of the casting. Surface area of the casting. Surface area of the casting. Okay now. So here is given a cylindrical casting and its diameter. Diameter D is equals to 1200 mm and also a given height H is equals to 35 mm. Height H is equals to 35 mm. So this is aluminum casting of aluminum material. Mould casting C is equal to 2.2 second per mm square. So now let us find solidification time using Cherinov's rule. So according to Cherinov's rule, T is equal to C into V by A whole square. First let us find V and A. So first volume of the casting. First let us find volume. Volume V is equals to, in case of cylindrical casting, since the diameter height is given, it's a cylindrical casting. So in case of cylindrical casting, volume is equals to pi r square h, where r is radius of the cylinder. So diameter how much? 1200 mm. Now radius is half of the diameter, means d by 2. Fine. So d by 2 means 1200 by 2. Now r is equal to how much? 600 mm. R is equals to 600 mm. Substitute R value in this formula. Okay. Now V is equals to pi how much? Pi means 22 by 7 into pi value 22 by 7 and R how much? Just now we calculated 600 mm. We got 600 mm here. See. So R square means 600 into 600. Height 35. 7 ones are 7 5s are. Okay. 22 into 5 how much? 110 into 600 into 600. Okay. So 6 6 are 36. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Right, 4 zeros. 3,60,000. If you multiply, you will get volume of the casting. So I got around 396 into 10 to the power of 5 mm cube. Okay, this is the value of volume of casting. Volume of cylinder casting is 396 into 10 to the power of 5 mm cube. Next, surface area. Total surface area of casting A is equals to total surface area of casting. Total surface area of the casting A is equals to 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. So total surface area of casting formula 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into again pi value 22 by 7, r radius 600 into r plus h. 600 plus height of the casting 35. Height of the casting how much? 35. Okay. So 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r 600 mm into r plus 600 plus 35. Let us simplify further. 2 22s are 44 into 600 into 600 plus 35, 635 whole divided by 7. Okay. If you simplify, you will get approximately 2394857 approximate value, not exact value, mm square. Okay, this is the surface area value. This is surface area of cylindrical casting. Now use Chernow's rule formula. Now substitute. You will get total solidification time. TS solidification time is equals to C into mold constant how much? 2.2 into V by A. V value how much? 396 into 10 to the power of 5 whole divided by A 2394857 whole square. Okay, now 2.2 into, if you calculate, you will get approximately 396 into 10 to the power of 5 by this. You will get 16.54 whole square. Then if you multiply, then you will get approximately 601.86 seconds. Okay. So therefore, solidification time of given casting, okay, is 601.86 seconds. This is only final.